Wisco 86 doing an unboxing of the Enkei RPF1 in a 17x8 offset 45 from Okos or Oakland Online Sales. These are in the matte bronze. They're exclusive. Tyrac does have a painted bronze. I haven't seen, but I don't know if it's any different from theirs. They ship these in 2 boxes, 2 wheels per box. The box, one of the boxes, had a license plate bracket and sticker in it for Okos. First, get the cardboard, Enkei book, cover for the wheel, and then matte bronze RPF1. In here somewhere should be valve stem, Enkei stickers. I'm going to run TPMS on these, keep the light from coming on. Terrific color. Almost gold in some light, and more of a gunmetal in others. So after test fitment, we found the RPF1s do clear the Brembos. There's not a lot of clearance. You're supposed to have about 3 millimeters of clearance for heat expansion. So there's not a lot of room for wheel weights, so I've got a couple options that I ended up going with. I've got a CK Auto 1/4 ounce weight. I went with black for both the weights, just thought it'd look better with the color. The CK Auto's weights are about 2 millimeters thickness. The Motion Pros are 1/8 ounce weights. They're a little bit thicker, probably closer to about 3 millimeters. I think they are technically for motorcycles, but they should fit fine for this, but they should allow a little bit more room as far as brake clearance for the Brembos. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the views. Hopefully there'll be some more videos coming up soon.